Good morning. We're here with our little 10-foot Pelican Icon kayak. It just came off the top of our Subaru Outback 2020 XT model, and we bought this car. One of the things we liked about this Outback model, not sure what years have it, but we know the 2020 has them, are these little stowable roof racks. Because when you're not using these racks, you can get wind noise, little vibration going down the road. So here's the long story. We sold some spars to some folks when we're back in Florida, and they show up in this little Subaru, and we're staring at it going, where are you gonna, some 14-foot long spars for a sunfish. We're like, where are you gonna put those spars at? And the guy just reaches up on top of his car and starts popping these rails out of their spot and putting them in position, loads spars up, drives off. And the other thing we liked is that we could reach it. We're not short, but we're definitely not tall, so loading a boat, you know, people like, just car top it. It's like, well, yeah, car top it. You know, like, here's my, see, top of my head's probably right about here on this Subaru. Spin you around left. Over on this, our Ford Edge, which we love, but has no rack at all, and you know, it's a couple inches higher to reach. So spin you back left again. So in a matter of a few minutes, kayak's down. It's held on with a couple of nice straps that we like, just for a little short trip. For long trips, you're fine with these new cars. Let's talk about strapping it down. A couple straps on the rails, tie them in a fashion that makes sure it doesn't slide left and right, and then put a strap up to the bow and the stern of your car. And we've got straps that will called Sherpa quick straps that'll clip under the. You open the hood, lay the strap in there, and then you clip it. And then there's a strap part that picks out. I'm not sure if those are in the back here. Let's dig through our car for a minute. Yeah, I think they are. So here's the little strap. You open your hood and you lay that inside where the seam's going to be on your head. You close your hood. This part of your strap hangs out. Let's see if it'll do it on the trunk here. Hatch. So if you need to, you can strap it there. You do it like that in the back. You got to figure out one of two things. Either don't accidentally activate. Some of these cars have their special, you know, wave your hand or slide your foot under the bumper and opens on its own. You need to turn that off. Make sure you don't activate that. Ask me how I know about that. But these little, these things are great. It's these are sold by Seattle Sports, called Sherpa quick straps. But there's good storage in the car. I'm not trying to sell you an Outback. Some people are trying to figure out good ways to get to and from the water. Well, this is one of them, if you can. Plenty of storage with the seats down. Throw your paddles in here. These paddles will come apart in the middle if you need them for either transport, or if you're the kind of person that likes a feathered paddle, these will help you out. These cars come with a little rubber plastic type mat, so you can throw all your sandy wet stuff back here and not worry about it. And these cars have a great all-wheel drive system, specifically designed to handle sand or mud or snow better than some of your average road cars. So maybe look at these. Good gas mileage. We bought the XT because it has a turbo, meaning you upgraded on your trailer tow capacity to 3,500 pounds on your trailer with the 350-pound max tongue weight versus the 2700 for the basic car without the turbo. Same, this car over here is rated the same way too. It's a Boxer 4-cylinder engine here with the turbo, and then this is a 4-cylinder, I believe, on this car, don't know, but twin turbo, puts out over 300 horsepower. So the other thing you might want to get is this little cart, back to kayaks and moving kayaks around. It's called a C-Tug by Railblaza. Got this nice little set of wheels, nice pads underneath that lightweight. That actually breaks down into 5 parts if you need to, if you want to take it apart. And your kayak might have stowage to put it inside, but our kayak, we just for going away for a while, we'll just stick it in that little storage compartment in the back, take it with us. But with this, you can just pick it up and off you go. This Pelican's 42 pounds. So right now I got it with one finger. Won't tell you which finger. No, I got index finger. And off we go over little bumps. Down through the yard, etc. Where should we put it? I don't know. Let's put it by. Let's put it out by the canoe. Or wait, we can put it by the other kayak. I don't know. Oh, the canoe will be lonely. Let's put it by the canoe. Go in here. Little boat up. Drop it off. Come up. Got a nice wide strap. Big buckle that's easy to handle and does the job. People that design buckles should take a look at things like that. We've seen a lot of buckles in our life. Many times they're really hard to operate. They're small, straps don't fit right. You pick an issue, they're just not, they're not good. The people at Railblaza, their little C-Tug got it right. Let's see. Now the people at Pelican got it right on this kayak too. It's got decent storage for a little day, goof around, sit on. And these adjustable foot pegs, there's not a whole lot of them we're seeing right now. They have these little indentations where you're supposed to twist your ankle to fit your foot in there. Don't like that. Maybe some of the higher price models might have them. But we really like this feature, being able to adjust your feet for different people. But here's a little cart. Little wheels, with the little tabs where you take the wheel off. These brackets snap out and they'll articulate to whatever shape of hole you have. So we can use this on the canoe and then go back to the beach and get the kayak. And it's lightweight. And it has a little kickstand on it to help hold it upright when you're got your kayak that you're trying to load onto it. So these are just a few of the ways that we get to and from the water. I know that's getting on the water is only a small part of boating, but you know, getting to and from it, we try to make it as simple and easy and fun is number one, and then inexpensive when we can. These Pelican's been a good brand, their prices aren't crazy. You can pay a lot more for a kayak, we know that. And people might look at this and go, well, geez, that thing's probably really slow. It's 10 feet, it's wide, it's kind of pudgy, but I'll tell you, it's very stable. That's what I like. And easy to load, and plenty of room to sit in. So that's what we like. And the little Grumman canoe, 17 footer, you can probably find one of these on Facebook right now for $300 to $500. Bring it home and paint it up and go have fun. That about does it.